Are you tired of the endless back and forth emails just to schedule a simple meeting? Well, get ready to reclaim your time because in this video, we're going to show you how to effortlessly integrate Calendly with your WordPress website. First, log into your WordPress dashboard and navigate to the plugins section. Then click on Add New. In the search bar, type Calendly. You'll see a few options, but we recommend using the official Calendly plugin for the best compatibility. Click Install Now on the Calendly plugin, and then click Activate once the installation is complete. Now, look for the Calendly option in your WordPress menu. It might be under the main menu or a separate section, depending on your theme. Click on Calendly, and you'll be prompted to connect your Calendly account. Click the Connect to Calendly button. This will take you to the Calendly website. To log in, enter your Calendly credentials. You'll then be asked to authorize the connection between Calendly and WordPress. Click Allow to grant permission. Now, let's embed your Calendly link. Go to the WordPress page or post where you want to add your scheduler. You have three main options. You can embed it directly into the page for a seamless look. Use a Popup widget that sits in the corner, or create a text link that opens Calendly in a new window. For an inline embed, use the Calendly block or shortcode in your page editor. Select your Calendly event and adjust the appearance settings if needed. For a Popup widget, configure its position and color in the Calendly settings within WordPress. And for a text link, simply copy the Calendly link and paste it into your text. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Calendly with your WordPress website. Now you can say goodbye to scheduling headaches and enjoy a streamlined booking process.